Hi everyone, it's Joe and Nathan here from Lawn Solutions Australia, and our favourite time of year is upon us again, so let's talk about spring.
In this video, we'll guide you through what you should be doing for this spring, where to start, and what the key products are to help your lawn thrive through spring and summer.
Start with a good mow, because it may have been a while since your last. This will help to clear out any debris and help to encourage new and fresh growth for the warmer months ahead.
Spring is the ideal time to apply a pre-emergent herbicide. They kill weed seeds during germination before they become a problem.
Look for products like Oxafert and Barricade, as they come in a liquid and a granular form, and they also come in handy pack sizes. This is how you get one step ahead of the summer weeds like summergrass and crabgrass now that temperatures are on the rise.
Now's also the time to protect your lawn from lawn grubs. These pests love warmer weather and could cause some serious damage if left untreated.
If you applied grub control in autumn, now is the time to reapply with Grub Guard Ultimate, which is powered by a Accelerant technology. It gives you up to 6 months protection, and it's the industry standard when it comes to pest prevention.
If winter weeds have snuck in, deal with them now before they spread. You can hand weed or use targeted herbicides depending on the type of weeds that are present.
Getting on top of them early means you can shift your focus back to lawn health, so you're not battling weeds all season.
Spring is an ideal time to fertilise your lawn as it comes out of dormancy, but don't go too early with a granular product. Make sure the lawn is actively growing before applying.
Once it's time, be sure to use a high quality granular fertiliser like Lawn Solutions Premium Fertiliser, or if you're after a smaller prill, you can look at Lawn Solutions Pro Plus Carbon Fertiliser. Both are designed to give your lawn the nutrients it needs so it can green up and thicken with strong growth.
Don't forget to look at your soil as well. A healthy soil will mean a healthy lawn, and this is a great time to improve your soil biology.
To do this, you can apply a kelp-based product or a soil conditioner like Lawn Kelper, or if your lawn needs an overall health kick, you can look at a product like Lawn Rescue, which combines nutrients, soil conditioners, and stimulants for overall lawn growth.
Are you thinking you might need to do a lawn reno? If your lawn is suffering from thatch, poor levels, or compaction, plan to start around October in most areas.
The soil is warmer then, and your lawn will recover faster. Whether it's top dressing, dethatching, or aerating, spring is the best time to do it before summer really kicks in.
If you're looking to lay some turf or repair some bare patches in your lawn, spring is the perfect time to do so.
In our next video, we'll take you through everything you need to know for a successful turf install. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to catch you next time.